Tell the people, Yard Style family, are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Now today we out here, I have a little free time on my hand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump in the water right now, see if I can catch some clips and just put them together actually. Alright, so you can see what I go on. These are the things that I like, just some random days, just jumping at the water and look what it is like. If I can find something where I can cook or whatever, we just do that as well. Yeah, so
right now.
where say I go now?
We have a blue bone them.
Blue bone.
Right now.
Yeah, man. See the people? Blue bone. Welcome to the Caribbean Sea. These yellow and black striped fish are called sergeant majors. These are black spiny sea urchins. They are venomous. This is a type of brain coral. This is a white sea urchin. This one is not as venomous as the black spiny urchin. Here, we call this a guardfish. If you notice carefully, it's protecting its area from me. Look at it, attacks my hand. This is the shell of a sea urchin. This is what it looks like when it's dead. I'm going to use it to attract the fish. Here, I'm going to crush it up so more fish will come around. Now these small yellow and black fish and the blue and green ones, we call those cleaner fish. So as you can see, this reef is populated with guardfish, cleaner fish, and sergeant majors. This is a type of parrotfish. We call these parrotfish princess parrotfish. Now this plant is a type of sea anemone. They are alive. Yes, they are alive. It actually moves when it feels like there is a threat, and actually that's how it feeds as well. So it lures in the prey with a pretty flowery look, and then it shuts up like that, and then it eats what it catch. Fascinating, right? It is a beautiful day out here in the Caribbean waters. Come on, let's take a dive. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this is for all of man. Everybody who want to go get expect late. Let me see what we have to get. Alright, no worry, man. If you're bad, sure, you know, see there. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, so as you can see, we come back out of the water and thing, and you see the clips them and all of that. So we're there, just go and, you know, enjoy ourselves. Things like these are things that I like, you know. We just jump in the water, just swim around, see if we can find something to cook. And as you can see, me get a one fish, and me actually go cook up that fish there when we go home. yeah, and as well as me mentioned, cook up. I did a cook up the other day with my friends them, and that's something me love. Me love link up with my friend and my family them and do a cook up. We cook up some lobster the other day up there in Portland. Me and Bunny them and the rest of you them. Me I go show you that. Me I go show you that instead of talking about it. It's about 20 minutes clip or something like that. So me I go show you what go on up in Portland.
See that gone. Okay, one later.
Breadfruit. See money I drop out there pocket.
Don't want big on this?
No sir, sure.
So that good?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, eat that one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, peeps, so we're there in our kitchen and now see what go on at the lobster them there. So I cut up them thing you know if we go in at the lobster. I have some all-purpose seasoning here, so. And I have some rooster noodles here where we are going to make one little blend where we are going to stuff the lobster them with. Alright, so get them cut up right now.
Yeah, man, this is known as the healing of the nation. The Bible said the herbs are healing for the healing of the nation, you know. And known is one of them things there. So I say, yeah, man, you have antioxidant to burn out all cancer cells. Burn out the cancer cell out of your body. You understand what I say? Likewise, tomato. No, them nowadays tomato because them nowadays tomato are full of too much chemical in them. But you see the known a natural thing, no chemical to it. You understand? So you decide to take a taste of I know it. Where is it? You stay bad?
No, I'm not stay bad.
Balatel.
Not today.
No, so you don't eat it. Alright, look at it now. You hear me up. I just like this.
So if you feed too?
I see you right now. I don't eat seed you. Don't do that. Don't do that.
We call it. Half breed. Half spring.
Yeah, man, that gone. You understand? I know this. So did it. You want to see another dose? You understand? Because I do it comfortable. I don't feel no way eating.
Bonnie, make you water with it fine. Dylan and that's a drink.
Alright now people, so we are going to put the seasoning them on the thing. End of the knife.
Clean that.
Eh? So see it there, all purpose. And this a pumpkin, scallion and thyme. Some Maggi. Yeah, man. Alright, see what I go on now.
One carbo.
Some of this side.
You want it to be in one them. Because you understand? So you realize that we are doing.
Alright, so the mixture that. One more thing we are putting there. Some butter. Yeah, man. Rinse off a night. Rinse off.
Are you? Me and you? And you have to buy steps sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, then also.
So what I do is, I think I work.
You never tell me that.
I'm work out 10 drive from morning to 3 o'clock. I'm in the from 3.
Alright now peeps, so I bust the back of lobster them so I can actually put some of the stuff in it. Yeah? That's a one.
That one there. Answer. You don't call me.
Alright now, so see all of them cut there. Don't know. Looking good. Alright, so we're gonna stuff up the first one now. And then put it straight on the grill, alright? Yeah man. So
You ready?
watch where I go on. Put some in the head. Just a small amount. Now the head. Some in the part there. Look at that. Look good, eh? Yeah, man. We just go ahead and just do all of them. And just put everything on the grill at the same time. This is a wicked people, man. Tell no lie. Look good. Look good. The people advice don't know, my mother advice. I sell almond drops and them sit there. Sure no I go on when me done this. Yeah, people, so catch them. Yeah, man, the seed pop down. The seed pop down, people.
Yeah, me do a bit of go.
Come here, my job gun.
Hey, money over there.
I like that. Money you want, what you there for? Bad you can do.
I want to buy a look. God, you got to know my seat.
No, me
And while that thing do, you know, come here now, let me see goodies.
You like it,
No, sir. Yeah, peeps, so my mother sell them coconut drops and almond drops. She make them from scratch. So next week when I come up here, she make them, me just show the process. Yes. That's my mother, right there, so. Yeah. So we're there upon the lobster them. This is how them look right now. Ready to go up on the grill, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Well ready, you know? Yeah. Yo! Nice, look at that. Alright, now so we have put them on the grill. So I go on. First one on the grill, you know, homemade style, you know. Just get piece of mesh, get some coal. And I just do it. Yeah, people, so them dip on the fire now. This is what I go on. Soup over there, so. Lobster there, so. Nothing normal.
And you want to drop your body belly. Drop in your body belly. Almond drop one, no.
Everyone of them almond.
Yeah, people, some buy one of them. $100 with them.
Right now, me on the drop.
$100. Yeah. Something could have just put over here like one.
Burn it up! Burn it up!
Need that no.
Burn it. Yo.
Need the damn floor on top of the virgin.
Bad breed.
How are you, man?
Burn it pour my floor.
Why go, man? Oh, if you pour virgin, I'm going to water in I'm going to the water in the side. No, man, I'm not make it, man.
And
no want no more water, I'm respond for one need. See there?
you pour my floor.
Boil what? Where you sell the coil? No, be honest. Where you sell the coil? Try to Gary.
Boy, me don't
No,
need
man.
clothes, bear.
Where you say?
Me don't need clothes.
Take the floor and wipe on something, man. I need the floor good, man. Tap that foolish, man. That you have done long time, man. Make floor them train and partner, brother.
Alright now people, so we are going to do now. We just make them spin now with the file paper over it, right? Yeah. Yeah, man. Just like that. Yeah, so the man gonna check on the soup. We go ready.
So pretty, you know, one.
Yes, ready.
Dumpling and ready.
Ready, dumpling are going in a pot. See there? Man, I put dumpling in a pot. Straight in a pot, them a drop. Yeah, people, so the man them do a new style with the breadfruit. We go in a soup. Roast it first and then I roast it halfway. And then I just peel it and put it in the pot, you know?
Get body.
Yeah. Where you say go on?
Get body.
Oh, so you make the soup thick. I never see that before. I first may I see it, so go watch what I go on. No? Alright now people, so me check on the lobster them. Yeah. Them a steam, I can see them start turn colour. See that one there steam up. Looking good. Yeah man. Cover them back down, alright? Alright so people, so them do something new you know. So them put the breadfruit in the flour. Different. I have to taste one of that when the soup boil.
We make them different from the regular flour.
Oh. Yeah, so them gone now the pot the soup. I boil up right now, soup there. Flour go in there, soup ready. Lobster them over here so. And with there go all a vibe same way, you know? Yeah man. Who for party today? Yeah? Chelsea? Alright. You want to say anything to the people then? What you want to say?
I don't know.
You don't know? You want to say something but you don't know what you want to say? Say hi or something, hello. Or tell them what your name. What your name? Eh? Tashana Williams. Alright. Alright now people, so see lobster them here. Well ready. Yeah man, look at that. Yeah man, see it there? Well ready, you know. Well ready. Show no what go on. The meat this you know people. Look at that. Yeah man.
Ready.
Well ready so. I sample it you know. With some of this. And see how it go. Alright, see it here you know people. One bite in there, want some? They get fear from now, you know. Alright. Well ready. Margie, you know, get none, you know. I joke me, I make man. Everybody are gonna get a bite. You don't know it go. Because we out here and that's how we do it. Everybody have to eat and sharing. So everybody just get one piece of banana leaf and forward. We deal with it.
Send the paper.
I'm carrying a table of people.
You say bunny no deal with them. Yeah, so see bad breeder cut the plate them. You don't know. You share out you know. Couple of plate then so. You see what I go on. Everybody I get a little bit in there, you don't know I go. Everybody I get a little bit.
No, man, Mark different. We're different people. Yeah, make the cabin that and do it about it.
Where's this scavenger?
Yeah. What now you what gringo do a serve. How you go? How you go? Okay?
Line up the plate them properly there. Yeah man, line up the plate them so I just deal with them right away. Bad rig guy.
Bad rig style, I don't know that long time.
So it tastes bala.
Bali, you can't say anything, no, because not the mix, I take it out.
Bonnie say, palatable.
Palatable.
Bonnie?
Palatable.
Fix them up, man. Wait until you stick up with everything for them.
Huh? You are going on, everybody I get a little bit. You don't know how we do it. Remember, say we have this stuff in the head. Same way. Yeah, man. More of this me find again, you know.
Hello, man. That's go on your
Chin. I hurt your feelings.
Where are David?
Say it hurt your feelings. Yeah, man. Alright, everybody take one, so we see how the thing look. Take one, huh? Alright now people, so look how me I go deal with that one, yeah? Yeah man. I deal with that one, yeah, different.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Grab it, I'm not that go. Yeah, peeps, that's how we are doing it, you know, look at that. Well ready. Yeah, man. Well ready, people. Yeah, man, that's how we do it here. Yeah, man, people, nice, man. Well nice, and the presentation up and running, I tell them. Nice, man. Well nice. Can't tell no lie. Yeah, man. I bush style plate, man. Imco vibe. Are you seasoning this, huh? This bad. I tell you. This bad.
But I can live up that, that's it.
Video there pretty close. In your pretty close. Everybody, this is Chelsea. Say hello. You wanna see it? See it there? You see it? Yeah. So let me video you. It's your birthday and you are 2, right? And you have a pretty bag. Show me your pretty bag. Show me your bag, a pretty bag. What's inside the bag? Nothing? Nothing? Alright.
Alright.
Huh? Alright. Alright now people, so the soup I go share out, you know. Look at this. Well, nice. Alright now people, so I go test the soup and I also have one of the dumpling in it where we did that talk about. See it here? With the breadfruit in the middle. So I go see what I go on. So first I test the soup. Soup well nice and rich. Fish tea. Yeah man, hands there so man. Hands are bite me. Yeah people, so I am this. Yeah. Well ready, alright, so I cut the dumpling here now. And see what I go on. Cut in half. Wow. Look at that. Look at that people with the breadfruit in the middle. Boiled dumpling with the breadfruit in the middle. Test here and see what I go on. First, me I ever try something like this. Yeah, people see it there again. Breadfruit in a dumpling. So, let me see what I go on. This needs to be cooked in a restaurant. The bunny. Breadfruit in a, come on. Breadfruit in a dumpling.
Come palatable. Taste you.
Yeah man, so people see Bunny here for our day. Yeah man, see Bunny here for our day. Everybody must remember Bunny. A theme daughter birthday today, so we there go and all a vibe, you know?
Yes. Should I say, my daughter is 2 years young today. Not 2 years old. My daughter is 2 years young today because young is her surname as well. And you can't have somebody who are 2 can't old. Must be young. What a surname she have? 2 years young. We rest it as that.
Where say I'm to George?
I called George the other day. And George said in 6. So I said, what to you? He tell me all I seem to have. I said, George, you have corona.
So you not take your vaccine?
George never take the vaccine. George try for the vaccine.
So where you take boy vaccine?
The vaccine. At one point in time I think about the vaccine. What should I do? Should I take it or should I not take the vaccine? Then me try something for one lady's shoulder. Which one she take the vaccine at Portmore with a magnet. Cause I see it on Facebook. I wonder if this thing real. So I try the magnet on her shoulder. The magnet, so 3 little magnet, you know, every piece of something. So I hard with a magnet, hold on for the shoulder, but I feel something, I pull the magnet to it from the lady's shoulder, so I say, hand in the lady body. The vaccine going there, you go for a metal.
Yeah.
Go for a metal, I say, well, me have to take this. Cause me got doctor and doctor tell me, say, my body shot a iron. You understand? And if the vaccine going there for a metal, me want to find some metal in some iron in me because my body shot a iron.
Yeah.
So as a result, me never fail to take the vaccine. So today is 2 years. What would you call it? 2 years? Young, not old. My daughter is not old. 2 years young. You can't be 2 and old. Must be 2 years young. And young are surname to Mali. There go more people Chelsea coming in. We see Carla coming from Carty place that Alia and Alicia, the twin of twins, coming in. Nike and the others coming in. We're happy to have them joining us in celebrating. Oh, young are you now? Young are you? Oh, young are you now? She's two. Indeed, we are going to see our strongest Chelsea breath as she blow the candle out. After 3, Chelsea, you are going to blow this candle out. So you blow that way. 1, 2, 3, blow. Come again. Come again. Come again. Blow the candle. Blow the candle, Chelsea. 1.
Alright now people, so we come to the end of another video. So we just close off the video now and go join back the little birthday party. The lobster did nice. The soup bad, me I tell you, everything alright. People them there, the people them eat and enjoy it, you know, yeah? They don't know, so that's how we do it, people. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah man, hit the post notification bell. So as soon as we drop a video, you can be notified, alright? So peace out on this one. Catch you on the next one.